Sir, can I start now?
Okay, just...
How many minutes do I have?
Your time. 15 seconds. What do you want to keep us here? Start.
So, ladies and gentlemen, my joke goes like this. You get one man.
Which man are you talking about?
No.
Who is the man? You're supposed to talk about the man. What are you doing? Get out of my set. Get out of my set. Next.
The man.
Next. Contestant number 2. Get out of here. What kind of nonsense is that? This is a comedian.
I want to give you wisdom. You know?
No. Give us joke, not wisdom.
Okay. You know a minister? A minister is a small star. It's different from a mega star. Do you understand? Like minister, the small star.
Then where's the punchline?
So
Where's your setup? Get out.
Wisdom,
Yes! Come on, get out of here. What kind of wisdom? Are we foolish that you're giving us wisdom?
First of all, sir, I'm from Ogwaru.
Okay, good.
Now my yoke is a yoke that ancestral people.
Crack the joke!
If I want to crack ancestral yoke, you are telling me crack yoke.
Crack it, we don't
So
have
this ancestral yoke is a yoke that come from ancestors.
Next! We will people that crack joke for human beings.
Come on, go and crack the yoke. Crack the yoke.
You know, I beg transport come here, you pursue me.
Alam, crack
But
the
you people did not bring me here to crack you. You brought me here to judge you people.
Crack.
Can I judge your jokes?
No.
Okay, let me crack one joke.
Nah,
You get one man wey.
Let me get that joke. You cannot use one man, use one woman. No,
my joke.
use one woman.
That's you.
Okay.
Yes.
Now.
Funny hard man.
Funny your heart, man. Funny your heart. Okay, get out.